minutes before my meeting. Okay. You have fun here, huh? Sir RJ.
RJ's got it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Stop na. Wow, why so smart? Why so smart, Sir RJ? You need to donate two names. Pick two names, Sir RJ.
Or
Stop na.
one.
Pick two names, Sir RJ.
Why? Did he get other ones?
Yeah, no, Han, it's already four.
Oh, okay.
Sir RJ, if you win four times, you need to donate two names so that everyone will win. Donate to RJ and donate to